I just think they're a professional run company. They came when they said they were going to come. They did a thorough estimate with a lot of detail in it.
When the job was finished, not only has it arrived when he said he was going to arrive, not only was the work done as he said it was going to be done, but, and here's the big but, the price was exactly what he said he was going to be, and I can't ever ask any more than that.
If you say, look, it's an emergency, I need it doing today or tomorrow, they will probably be able to do it because they've got enough staff to do that. Other companies, maybe one-man band, two-man band, can't do that.
The guys that come round are very friendly, very polite.
When the work was actually going on, they weren't too disruptive to us as an ongoing business. In fact, most of the time we didn't even know that they were there.
They were so professional, it was unbelievable. It was done properly, and I don't mind paying for work that's done properly.
They give you the date, the time and how long the work's going to take, and they certainly keep to that.
The projects that we've worked on have been excellent value for money.
They were talking the right sort of things about risk, safety, access.
And again, tenants, clients, mortgage clients, they've never had a bad word to say about them. Again, if they have to sell a house and they've had the roof done, it's important to portray that image that they've had professional work done on it, because surveyors from lenders need to know that the work's been done properly.
To ensure that everything was completed satisfactorily, we were also given photographs of the work afterwards, and when we've been able to judge the proof of the pudding is the fact that the site hasn't flooded since then.
I'd always recommend them. The first number I've got in the phone would be with them, whenever you're looking at roofing.